Alright, so hello world, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to keep building our JobFinder project. Specifically, what we're going to build is we're going to now going to focus on the user the actual job applicant, so candidate side. And specifically, let me turn my light nice down a little bit. I'm going to implement a search functionality. Alright, so let's get started. Let's go ahead and implement a function called searchJob. And in here, we'll say if request.get queue. If we get the query, then what we want to say is search for the job. Otherwise, we'll say return render. Here's the pass. Dashboard/index.html. Oops. All right. Home page. Okay. So in here we just say search for a job. And let's give style, text align, centered. Oops, it's our server. All right. Okay, so let's see what's gonna happen. Is this? It's gonna replace this index, sort of. We can return to a dashboard. Actually, here is a redirect to dashboard. All right. Okay. So in here, we're gonna say is jobs equals to job the objects the filter name contain title. I don't forget to contain or contains. Request get queue. And just gonna print all the jobs out. Alright, let's refresh. Alright, search for a job. And in here, we're gonna have a form div input class equals to text form control. Name equals to a queue. Type equals to submit. All right. So in here, We'll search for movie, for example. Contains. Maybe it's contains. No, maybe I think it is contains. Okay, nice. All right, yep, we do have the data back. And then what are we going to do is we're going to return this job. Return render request dashboard search.html jobs. For job in jobs, and let's do job.type. All right, it looks good. So then what we're gonna say is, let's say I cannot create the column style. So in here, then we'll say div.row div.callString. Oh, actually, what to do? And then set div here. Let's do to the bottom here. All right. Okay, so let's get some border around it. Class equals to job box. All right, let's give some style. So maybe we can say border is 2 pixels, solid black. We do want to add a couple BRs. All right. Let's attach some padding. Let's just say 10%. Let's see how that's gonna look. Okay, actually looks pretty nice. Okay. So in here it's a H3. That's the job title we're gonna have. That's a little bit too big. Maybe H5. Yeah. All right. And in here, job description. Let's see. We're just gonna list a few. Salary range. That's most important. Job.min salary. To job.max salary. To $40 per job dot frequency. it. Okay. $30 per hour, $40 per hour. You can just be it. I would like to add some descriptions. But maybe I want to edit so that they only display certain amount of characters. How to display ... for long text HTML. I forgot what this actually called. I think it's characters in a div. Let's see, how can we do that? I only want maybe first 20 character or something. Alright, so desk. I'm not sure would this work. I'm not gonna worry about too much about it. Okay, and then location. Remote. Alright. Alright. Okay, so what will happen is the user can click on this div. And what happens when they click on this div is on the right hand side will display the data. Okay. Let's see how I can figure this out. So here, let's say on click, just say console.log. You know what? Hello. Just test it out, see if it works. Alright, well, clearly it doesn't fit on mobile, so alright, works. Okay, so then in here, we're gonna say is div.code9, and in here we can just say job info. Alright, let's add a script. So on click in here we say we define a, let's go ahead and define a function. See if I remember how arrow function works. So say on fetch job info, job ID. Alright, in here we're just gonna say fetch, which gonna be, we're gonna fetch which URL it is. Job slash job ID, right? And then here say dot then response text. Alright, dot then documents.getElementID drop info.inner HTML equals to the data. There might be some errors, so let's double check. Oh, I forgot to refresh, that's why. Excuse me. Oh, okay. No, that's what happened. All right, in here, we're gonna say fed drop info. And in here, we'll go and say job.id. Let's refresh. All right. Code. Okay, let's go and figure out the correct URL for this. Okay, it's jobs. Oh, there we go. All right, so now you can see we got the job. All right, and then they can click apply to apply the job. Right, so that job ID is kind of like a waste, but it's not really, since that's like a helper function. And what I would like to do is fix this part. So let's go drop and figure out this apply button. It's gonna be /job/apply/ drop.code. Nice. Then I can click here to apply, and then everything, boom, works. All right. Okay, good. So what we would like to work on next is the pagination. You know, we're gonna so therefore we can kind of like divide the data. I'm gonna try not to use any framework at first, at least, but that might change. Okay, so what would I do then is I will go ahead and create many jobs in my admin dashboard. So let's go here. From employer. Okay, yeah. Let's say the register job. All right, there we go. Jobs. All right, I'm just gonna add a couple job. You know what? I need to get the profile objects. Well, it will be easy. So what I like to do is display maybe 5 jobs at a time. 5 jobs at a time. Profile 1. Okay. So what I will do is I will create 5 more then. Demo 1, demo frequency, remote. Great if they have like ability to create some demo. Min 2 session hour remote. Demo 2. Demo 3. Demo 2 session hour remote. For demo 5. Okay, we're gonna add one more. Six. All right. So we should have 6 demo job now. All right. So here's what's gonna happen. So what's gonna happen is what would be the best way to implement it? The best way to implement it is, okay, let's first get the Bootstrap Pagination thing. Alright, I think it's a little bit too long. We'll see, do we have time to do the pagination thing? Alright, let me copy. Alright, so in here, remove this. Just gonna be nothing. Be 2. You're gonna use this page to demonstrate what page it is. Alright. So what I would like to do is this. Okay, let's see. What I would like to do is get the jobs. Can we print out the links of the jobs? Is that something that we can do? Because I do want to know how many results we got. Okay, actually here's a plan. I don't think I'm gonna implement pagination in this video because it's already too long. But just a quick recap, we did, so we implement this this little dashboard where user can search different jobs. And I think one is blogger. And then they can apply here. All right, so that's what we did. We're really close to finish this project. After we finish the user's dashboard, I think that's pretty much it for our JobFinder. Of course, there's lots of features to add to it, but that's as of now, I think, all the features that we have. But for now, thanks for watching this video. See if you have any question or comment, feel free to comment down below. I have a link all the relevant resources linked in the description down below as well, including check out the source code for this project. But yeah, without further ado, thanks for watching. As always, stay safe and have a nice day. That was me, out.